Good morning, everyone. Today is Saturday, April 11th, 2026 at 09:33, and today we have our day 1 outlook to look at for today. So, today's outlook, we have a slight risk that encompasses parts of western Texas and eastern New Mexico. We have a marginal risk that encompasses parts of central to northern Texas, eastern to central New Mexico, western to central Oklahoma, much of Colorado, much of Kansas, the southern half, and parts of western Nebraska as well, northwestern Missouri, much of Iowa, southwestern Minnesota, southwestern Wisconsin, extreme southeastern South Dakota, much of Wyoming, parts of eastern Idaho, extreme northern Utah, and parts of northeastern Nevada. We also do have a marginal risk over here in parts of the coastal areas of Southern California. So we do have those areas under a marginal risk. So let's go ahead and see what we've got for today. Today we have a 2% tornado risk encompassing parts of western to central Texas and southwestern Oklahoma. We also have a tornado risk over here that encompasses parts of northern Kansas, southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Missouri, and southwestern Iowa. So we do have those areas under a 2%. So we have Omaha, Lincoln, Abilene, Wichita Falls, and Midland under the 5%. 2%. So we could see an EF0 tornado possible in the 2% area today. Going into the wind threat for today, we have a 15% that encompasses parts of western Texas and eastern New Mexico, and we do have a 5% that encompasses parts of central to northern Texas, as well as eastern to northern New Mexico, western to central Oklahoma, much of Kansas, much of Colorado, southern half of Nebraska, including western Nebraska as well, northwestern Missouri, southwestern Iowa, much of Wyoming, southwestern South Dakota, and parts of eastern Idaho, northern Utah, and extreme northeastern Nevada. We also have the 5% over here in parts of coastal Southern California. So we do have those areas under a 5% wind risk. So we have Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, and Del Rio under the 15%, and San Jose, San Francisco, Denver, Omaha, and Oakland under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 60 to 75 mile per hour wind gusts possible, and for the 5%, we could see 60 to 70 mile per hour wind gusts possible today. Going into the hail threat for today, we have a 15% for parts of western Texas and eastern New Mexico, and we have a 5% that encompasses parts of central to northern Texas, eastern New Mexico, western to central Oklahoma, eastern Colorado, much of Kansas, central to southeastern Nebraska, northwestern Iowa, parts of central to northwestern Iowa, parts of southeastern South Dakota, southwestern Minnesota, and southwestern Wisconsin. So we do have those areas under a 5%. So we have Lubbock, Midland, Odessa, San Angelo, and Clovis under the 15%. In Omaha, Minneapolis, Wichita, St. Paul, and Lincoln under the 5%. So for the 15% area, we could see 1 to 3 inch diameter hail possible today. And for the 5%, we could see 1 to 2 inch diameter hail possible today. So please be mindful of that today. Going into the summary for today, it says scattered thunderstorms producing hail and strong wind gusts are possible across parts of the southern high plains this afternoon and evening. More isolated strong to severe thunderstorms are expected across parts of the central Rockies, central plains, upper Mississippi Valley, and portions of the California coast. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. There's today's hail risk. There's today's wind risk. There's today's tornado risk. And there's today's day one outlook. So I do really hope that you stay weather aware and stay safe today. Yes, even though you may be in the marginal risk, you still want to remain weather aware and safe, as you never know what these storms could do in the marginals. But of course, especially stay safe in the slight. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great rest of your day, and I will have my day 2 outlook video later on this afternoon. Anyway, I do really hope that you have a great day, and I will see you in the video later today. Anyway, until next time, stay weather aware, stay safe, and take care.